Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this phone real quick. I got a couple actually that I bought and I haven't unboxed yet, so here it is. It is a Blackberry Storm 2 and it has a Samsung charger, which is micro USB. I was about to say USB-C, but micro USB. Doesn't have a back cover. The battery looks to be a tad bit inflated. It has a 16 gigabyte SD card, which is nice. A Vodafone SIM card. I have one of these, but the front display is cracked. I think I actually have it right here. Let me see. Yeah, here it is. Here's the one I have. You see it's completely shattered on the front. This one's got a good screen, so I just need to get a back cover for it. They look to be in about the same condition, I would say. This one's a little sticky. But yeah, let me see if this has any power. We'll give it a quick test if it works or not. Bad things about Blackberries, they take forever to turn on, so. Let me see, this battery might be dead. There we go. This battery looks to be, the one that came out of it is a little bit inflated. Probably not going to hold the charge. Looks like the indicator's a little wet too. Phone indicator looks to be okay though, I think. And I think this is the water indicator because I don't see it anywhere else. Alright, it's actually right here on the side, so I'll check it when I take the battery back out. This is a Verizon phone, as you can tell by the SIM card. I don't know if they actually made these on any other carrier. I know it's a 3G phone. You can see down there kind of, it says, on my good one it says Qualcomm 3G CDMA. I'm going to pause the video, and when this turns on, I'll be back. Okay, that took at least, I would say, 4 minutes to fully boot up. I see the battery's about dead. It looks like there's not much information. It looks like there's some Facebook notifications. So it looks like it hasn't been reset, but it seems to work. Let's go to options. So yeah, it seems to work. I always forget about these Blackberry touchscreens. They're very weird. Doesn't look like the back key works very well. There you go. It's a 9550 Blackberry. So yeah, I think that's a Storm 2. Yeah, it does have some water damage on that sticker there. But yeah, there's a quick unboxing and a very long boot up of that phone. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.